Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to install a printer in an Apple computer. Let's do it. First, you click in the Apple icon at the left side of your screen on top and select System Preferences. Once you are in there, select Printers and Scanners, and then select the plus sign. You will see the printer that you want. Select the printer that you want to install. Make sure that is the correct one. You can add a location here if you want. The printer has to be already added to the network. Then you click on Add and wait. The system will install the drivers. You have to be connected to the internet. If it's the first time, the system will go to the internet and download the drivers for the printer that you select. After the installation is finished, you will see the icon of the printer that has been added. Make sure that is the correct one, the right name and the right drivers. You can remove it by clicking the minus. In this case I won't do it, just continue. Also, you can share the printer. You can select the persons or the people that you will. You can edit the name of the computer if you want. Remember that to share it, everybody has to be connected to the same network, have the same IP address range in the same network. Otherwise they won't be able to print. That's one option. So if you select that option, user will use your computer to print to the printer. Let's see if the printer shows in a document that we want to print. And then on top on File, select Print, and the printer is there. So the printer is ready to print. So that's the way that you add a printer in a Mac computer. I hope that the information was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.